Alright, so this is the Belshe residence to be built in Anaconda. They lost the roof. Idea is in this center area that I'm looking at right here. This area of the home, the lath and plaster was pretty much intact, and we're going to try and save it. So we're not taking out the joists on the ceiling. We're going to roll out trusses in between, or wood eye joists, probably wood eye joists. And then I need trusses for the roof system up above here, because we're going to build a second story. It's the areas of the stair storage and between the garage and house where we're creating a breezeway that I could use some insight from you guys as to how we might be able to truss this, and I'll take you through some of the framing of it real quick. So a quick view of this house is just to show. I haven't put in posts for this. This is existing. There is a dormer here. We're gonna have to repair this roof, so might need a couple of trusses there, but that probably will be stick frame through here. These are just common trusses. They do have an energy heel, but it's back here where I'm just running into some issues that I've kind of solved, but wouldn't mind having a more elegant solution. We're putting in this as a snow wall just so that snow doesn't blow into here. And then this breezeway is kind of what saved them. If this hadn't been connected when the garage caught on fire, they would not have had insurance on the house. It's only the connection between the two, so we're putting that back for certain. And then when you come up the new entrance to upstairs, I've got this area that needs to vault to a certain degree to provide for these stairs. Now, does it need to be this tall? I don't think so. So I could do a section through there. Right now I'm drawing some purlins kind of across there. I guess the best way to call them is because they're going to be run horizontal to the rake. And that was my thought on how to solve this. In the bonus room up here, this is where that common truss area is. So now that you kind of see the layout of the house, this is just a storage area that's up here because we had the space. And then when we get outside that room, we end up with the shed for the garage. And this is actually they had one of those cheap metal sheds in the backyard. It's in pretty bad shape. So this is an option that the city probably will turn us down on. So consider that the garage just terminates here for now. If this does extend out, I'll let you know. But I don't think we're gonna get that approved. I'll send them a copy of this video so they can take a look and maybe get it to us. As far as this framing situation goes, we're kind of in that same area. Let me come out to where I was when I shut that last one off. So this is this. And the main issue is how to deal with these guys. Now, Chief Architect is a little finicky, and it doesn't want. I can drag this truss out. You can see it broke it here, and I can drag it across and probably form it. But when it comes to this side, there's nothing to rest on. So where I did it here, I placed it on a beam that we could hang between these two walls. Now what I'm looking at doing is to get down this rake is to drop the top plate enough so that I can actually purlin from here to a ledger and eliminate this piece in here, then extend the beam across, and we'll just truss across that top portion. I do have insulation requirements that I'm going to try and meet for this staircase. So I would like some thoughts. The way I did this was to add a beam, kind of the same scenario where this truss just stops wherever it's level here. The program doesn't understand that it could possibly drop the bottom cord and attach it over here. So any sections or anything I could provide that will give us solutions to how to deal with this. Our issues mainly lie in the fact that we have a 30-foot height limit. We're at 29 foot 11 from grade to that ridge, and the only way I was able to achieve that is this is the existing roof here, and it is at 812. So to make this plane out, this is at 812, but if you notice there's a little departure here. That's because this is at 712, and then on this side of the house where it doesn't adjoin to this lower roof, this is at 712, and it lowered me just enough to make the height requirements. And then we have a 312 on the shed roof over the garage. So that's kind of why we are where we are, how I'm doing it. And then I would love to get a call from you, Cass, and let's see if we can come up with some solutions on how to fix this. This here is to keep that deep rake. So basically have you build the truss so that it has these pieces attached to it, so I can put my lookouts here. This will be what supports the corner. This is just here for nailing the sheathing. I've got a 2x6 subfascia through here to help support that. So I'm basically just bringing these back, so I have two drop trusses here. Again, this is a property of the program. Not sure why it built two here, but I'll be probably just getting rid of this one. I can even show you. I just delete them, and there it's gone. So I'll probably Control Z, bring it back, check my nailing. Although if I'm going to bring these all the way through, I don't need it one way or another. So yeah, let's just consider that one gone. And then this, of course, that would extend out. Program has some issues sometimes. So I think if I bring it out to the edge of this point here, no, it still doesn't extend it. But it is a drop cord regardless. But it has an energy heel, so this would, if it came out, it's going to end up being below the ones that have an energy heel in them. And this one, it formed it properly, put the vertical there. Why it didn't do so here, that's just the quirks of the 3D modeling program. So anyway, please give me a call. I appreciate it, and we'll talk soon.